So my new workshop setup is being delivered right here. I got a shop custom made, and it's going to be dropped where I'm staying for the next little bit, and I'll be able to take it with me where I need it. There's my nephew Hudson filming it with his GoPro, or with my GoPro, and I'm excited to get in there and start creating. Wow. Here we go. There.
Yes, baby.
This is awesome. This is not for sleeping, Daisy.
Your shop. You're gonna be doing
I know.
Yeah.
That would be pretty cool.
How much more work would it take to make a tiny house? Then you have
Not
to
much.
do the process over and over again.
This is awesome.
That's cool.
All right, the delivery driver's gone, so I'm gonna go take a look without all the kiddos in there. All right. She'll do. She'll do. Got some nice storage space up top. Yeah. I can make some cool stuff in here. First step is probably insulate it because it's cold here in Georgia. And then start building some benches and stuff. Came with some pre-built shelving. I may take those down and rearrange, but we'll see. Anyway, that's thanks for following along. It's gonna be fun building this workshop out.